Hi, this is Mark 3, and today is March 30, end of the month, and I do this content just for the sake of seeing my progress all throughout each and every month kung ano yung mga nangyayaring changes, like personally and even dito sa kwarto kung ano nagiging changes. Parang more on sa growth na nangyayari sa akin, like, yeah. And for this month, it's not as much yung naging changes all throughout, but there are some things that I can say na naging progress pa rin, which is more of like a different thing from before, and I just want to show you guys yung unti-unti na yun. So, the very first thing na the best na nakuha ko is, as you guys can see yung wallpapers na yun sa likod. Wallpapers? Yeah, wallpapers. Posters, I mean, yeah, posters. Posters na yan is purchase it ng mga first or second week ng March kasi yun. Gusto kong madagdagan yung konting, ano yun, figures and styles nitong kwarto. And I added these things. Yeah. And included a stain sticker dun sa harapan. Ayun, dagdagan na lang. Dagdag things sa kwarto. Parang different touch and different feel yung idea niya. So, dito, makikita nyo yun. Merong poster ni Steph, poster ni Aya, dalawa. Yung isang A4, tapos isang size na 5R. Poster ni SZA, yung bago ng album na Lana. Then, Chromacopia album, Buzz album, Kendrick, and Taylor Swift. So, syempre yun, kapag nung bumili ako ng posters, these are the people na, I mean, I'm a fan of. Like, fan talaga. Like, hindi naman yung super, but yeah, I'm a fan. And dun sa likod, makikita nyo, to. This is a Rick and Morty na poster. Tapos ito is yung Lightning McQueen, Cars 3, yung Cars all-time favorite movie ko yun. Tapos, animated na movie. Then, yung favorite movie ko of all time, which is yung Seven, which is ang lead actors yan is si Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman. And the story ng Seven is about dun sa Seven Deadly Sins. Yun yung, basta yung context niya is more of like Seven Deadly Sins. So, watch it. Parang yung year niya na-release siya is far from sa ganda nung kung ano meron siya. Parang pang ngayon siya, pang modern time siya. Kaya, yeah. And another changes is this, yung opposite side ng pader is yan, yung mga stickers. Yung stickers na yan, actually kulang siya. Kasi yung sticker ng superficial is nailagay ko dito sa storage area na to. Diyan ko siya nalagay sa may likod. Yan. Doon siya nailagay. Kaya parang target ko na dyan, like parang each and every release, kasi nagbibigay sila ng malalaking stickers. So, balak ko is include yung mga stickers dito. Ilalapat ko siya dyan. Yun. Yan na naman siya. Tapos as of now, dito sa table, wala naman din siya naging changes. Yun pa din. Oo nga, ano nagbago sa table ko? Like, more of dito sa kwarto, naging changes lang primarily is yung posters na nabili ko. And another thing is, syempre, yung stocks. Kasi this time, we included na yung new release or yung new design, which is yung Blaze. So, may mga stocks pa ng mga previous designs. Yan. May mga stocks pa ng previous designs yan. Sorry if hindi ko siya makita. Please forgive me. Yung sa taas is yung Blaze, yung mga old stocks, yung mga old designs is nandyan. Tapos yung tote bag, which is meron pa. So, for now, parang pag iniisip ko siya kung ano yung nangyari like within this month, it is more of like a growth. Yes, there's some growth, pero no, hindi naman siya pero I can't underestimate kung ano yung nagawa natin all throughout this month kasi yun, na-force natin, o napilit natin mailabas yung Ablaze while having that Ferrari, nilabas natin yung From the Streets to the World, yung precise, di ba? So, as much as possible, we're doing something, we're moving forward, and just to add some things, para some things is yun, nagpamili tayo ng mga wallpapers and everything para at least medyo may laman-laman yung kwarto natin kasi yung kwarto natin is sobrang plain nung wala yan, parang boring-boring yung tingnan. Ganun. And, yun. And another thing is, naregaluhan ako ng tita ko ng mga shoes. And another cool story din sa shoes na yun kasi before that time na bala ko regaluhan ng tita ko, this is just for this month. Tapos parang ang idea kasi sa akin, like personally, parang gusto ko ng something or some activity na alam mo yun, makakapagpalabas sa'kin ng bahay ng makakapagpagawa sa'kin ng ibang bagay instead of just staying dito sa bahay, you know, trying things and everything, mag-bedrart maghapon, 'di ba? Kaysa yung gano'n, I plan na tumakbo and I got some shoe. I got this shoe, basketball shoe. This is a replica na Air Jordan 36. Yeah, 36. Air Jordan 36. And nabili ko to pandemic year. And nabili ko to dahil sa Axie. Yes, ano? Nabili ko siya dahil sa Axie kasi kumita ako dun sa Axie. Bumili ako ng spots. And, sorry. Yes, I do play basketball. Kaya, yun. Binili ko to. Tapos, year na ngayon, 2025. So, yung ilalim niya is not, you know, not doing well. Kaya, ito yung initial na pantakbo ko. Then, suddenly, yun, naregaluhan ako ng tita ko. Like, it was just, ano yun, parang sobrang blessing nun kasi, yun, I'm just planning na bumalik sa pagtakbo. I will still run by using this shoe pa din naman kung sakali na, ano. But, you know, God works in mysterious ways. Kaya yun, I'm really thankful na regaluhan ako ni tita ng mga shoes. And thank you din sa mga pinsan ko kasi yun, it really helped me a lot. Kasi sobrang laking tulong sa akin ng pag-run. Parang ang dami niyang health benefits is like nakakapagbigay siya ng relaxation sa akin. Alam mo yung nakakapagod siya while you're doing it na men, nararamdaman parang hingal aso ka na, 'di ba? Just ang kulit-kulit mo. Ganun yung dating niya pero right after this really, ano yan, relaxing and at the same time fulfilling kasi, ano yun, you did something at the early parts of the day. Sobrang ang laking sense of accomplishment niya para sa akin. Pero yun, there are times pa rin naman na parang as much as possible kapag di ba, pag after mo mag-run, bigla ako matutulog pag uwi, tapos parang wala akong magagawa ng buong umaga. Pero may ganun pa din. Pero yun, trying to adapt and do something regarding about that na makapaggawa tayo, makakilos tayo in some other ways na makapagpatuloy pa rin na gawin yung mga dapat na gawin. Kahit na nag-run tayo ng morning. So, it is still an adjustment phase but still, I am glad na at least kahit pa paano I'm kind of including some habits na ginagawa within this month. And yeah, thankful na for those shoes na naibigay sa akin ito. So, I've run like multiple times this month. I know na parang this last week is di ako napag-run kasi yun medyo nag-a-adjust pa in terms sa OJT kasi start na ng OJT and everything. Pero yun, as of now, it's March 30 and the next release is something na we're cooking up and expected date na gusto natin siya may release is for the third week no, ng April is gusto na natin may-release na natin yung new design which is it could be in the violet type of colorway depende kung ano pa yung magiging finalization sa design. Pero yun, we're cooking it up as of now. Like, inisip ko muna ma-film ito kasi there's something na ayaw din makalimutan and it's the end of the month. And as much as possible, kung gusto ko around every katapusan 30 or 30th, kung February 28 or 29, is may release natin yung mga ganitong type na content. So yeah, it was a good month. It is more of like growth within myself. It's more of like a challenging one. Like personally, like deep within me personally, it is not a struggle within this thing itself. All of the things about the brand, hindi siya struggle regarding this. It's a struggle more for myself, but it was a part and I prayed for it. I asked for some growth. Na personally, parang I really prayed na if you could give me more challenges and everything, just go on and give it to me. Na parang okay lang kasi if that's the thing that I really need, then give it to me. And I know na comparing for the past 2 months, assessing myself for the past 2 months, I know that I lack in terms of doing such things kasi I mean, I think I should have or could have accomplished more like for within this month na ano mas nag-grow ko pa sana yung sarili ko, focus on some time na improve pa yung sarili ko in some other ways. Pero yun, but still, we're still here, we're still doing things, we're going to continue, we're never going to stop, and I think na yung part na yan is a necessary part. And I think Now, looking dun sa calendar, we're like moving up dun sa first quarter na ng buong taon. It's like 3 months na yun nagpass. And I feel like there's more, or there's something more that we could do na may kaya pang i-push through, mas may kaya pang gawin. We've wasted a lot of times. And as I assess myself, nakita ko na, and feel ko na parang we're still on the same path like before. We need to improve, we need to be better, we need to go on and do something more. And I think na kahit ganun yung nangyari, I think that's the thing that should really happen. Uh, ganun pa din, and I can't take that, take those days back. And now as I've seen all this growth, yung growth na, alam mo yun, it is really visible. Sobrang visible ng ibang naging growth. Pero, well, there's really part within us, or within myself, na I'm seeking for more. And if that's the case, if that's the thing, then tingin ko kailangan pa natin mag-go on and do something better, be better, like push, like, ano yun, talagang galingan pa natin for the next couple of times. And yeah, sana madagdagan pa natin yung mga posters na yan. Sana mapaglabas pa tayo ng marami pa designs, labas tayo ng panibagong merch and everything. Mapag-try tayo ng kung ano-ano. And slowly, I hope na this year could be a good year, a great year for each and every one of us na mag-grow tayo to the best version of ourselves. And I think this March is really much of a lesson learned para sa akin. Me personally, sobrang yun yung naibigay niya. It is not the growth na in a way na I progress in some other ways na dapat na i-continue yung mga dapat kong gawin. It's not that kind of thing. And yeah, another thing is I've tried some new things this March. It's something I don't wanna really overlook kasi for like what I can see most of the times kapag I mean, na-observe ko rin sa ibang tao na like kapag may nangyayari sa kanila like within a month or within a week, parang as they assess themselves, they feel like they accomplish less and everything, na sometimes they overlook some other things na alam mo yun, nabigyan nila ng time, nabigyan nila ng effort, they did it for the first time, and na push through nila yun, and nalagpasan nga nila paulit-ulit, kuya, paulit-ulit ka. Nalagpasan nga nila yun and did great. Kaya para sa akin, it is something that I need to also acknowledge na to do much better. Na kung nagawa nga natin yun, yung mga dating bagay na yun, yung mga nagawa natin for this month, na nakapush through tayo to try new things. So, why not do more? And kung nagawa nga natin yun the very first time, kahit uncomfortable, di natin feel na kaya nating magawa, then bakit tayo mag-hesitate to do some other things na alam naman natin nas nalagpasan na nga natin yung mabibigat na akala natin hindi natin kaya. So, I guess that's pretty much everything, and I really do hope that for each and every one of us, we could have a prosperous next month, April, that is full of blessings and everything, na full of energy and motivation, everything, determination na magawa natin yung mga dapat natin gawin. This is really a fun one, so I hope na hindi lang yan yung mga mapapakita ko for the month of April. Really do hope na I could um, make you see other things. Kaya, I guess that's pretty much everything. And as always, works for me. I'm about to leave. Sorry for the very long talk kasi alam ko nga siya personally na I haven't progressed much. So, in terms of papakita ko na growth, it is something na medyo wala pa. Yeah. Bye-bye.